The United Kingdom is still a global destination, and it's probably on the list for anyone who wants to move abroad. And this is why I can tell you categorically with this video that if you want to move in the next 2 months, you can be in the United Kingdom. Welcome to 2024, and this year you must achieve all your travel goals. This is your one and only Waka Waka Doctor, always bringing you the best gist when it comes to travel and migration. You know how we do it on this channel. So long as it has to do with moving abroad, living abroad, and finding opportunities that exist all around the world, this is where you want to be. If this is the first time of you coming across my channel, I want to say you're going to have no regrets. Tons and tons of people have moved abroad just by subscribing to this channel. For those who have always watched me and have moved abroad, you know how it's done. Those who are looking to move abroad, I am hopeful that I will continue to provide information that will steer you in the right direction and take you to your promised land. Two quick things that I like to share. Number one is to say that I'm not on WhatsApp and I'm not on Telegram. So if you do find anybody saying that they want to contact them on WhatsApp or Telegram, it is not me. The only way to reach me is in the description box of this video. If you check the description box of this video, you will know how to find me. And also, every link that you need when it comes to whatever we're going to discuss today will be in the description box of this video. Today, as always, I'm talking about the country that has been in the news for a long time now for good and bad reasons. Listen, the United Kingdom is still a top-tier destination for as many people that are interested in moving abroad. It will always be that way because the United Kingdom has a lot of career opportunities, and it's known for its diversity and also ranks very high when it comes to quality of education. So people will still always go to United Kingdom. I know that there are a lot of things in the news that you're not happy about, and this is why I brought you this video so that we can talk about it and help you navigate it. And as always, I've got a guest, someone who is aware, someone who knows how to go about it, someone who has the technical know-how when it comes to this situation, to come and shed light and tell us about the United Kingdom. How are you doing, brother? Thank you for joining us.
Hey, thank you so much. Good afternoon from here in the UK. It's been a wonderful time. And my name is Festus Adini, and of course, I work for Study Now. Study Now, basically, as you have introduced, we're based in the United Kingdom, and we have two offices here at London office. We have Oxford office, and way back in Africa, we have in Nigeria, in the popular Lagos state, working on opening one in Abuja very soon. We have another one in Egypt. We have in Qatar, in Kenya. And our primary aim, of course, as we have talked about, is helping students that want to study abroad, especially in the UK. You know, universities in the UK, as we all know, certificates in the UK is acceptable anywhere in the world. You don't need any interpretation. Anywhere you present, you know, a certificate from the UK, it's acceptable anywhere. And we help you to get into the UK as fast as we can, as long as you provide all the necessary documents for us. We help you through whether for a foundation program, undergraduate, postgraduate, all of these research programs, PhD. We are here to assist you. And the interesting thing is that Study Now, all our services to any of our clients are absolutely free.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. I love that. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty of the discussion. What are these requirements? If people want you to help them, what are the requirements? What's the process like? Talk to us about that.
Yeah, generally, of course, to every level of studies, there are requirements that will be put in place to get you to the UK. So for most universities, you will be typically need an IELTS, at least an IELTS score of about 6.0 in every module, both speaking, reading, listening, and writing. Then for basically for people that are coming maybe for their undergraduates
I need to
from
stop you
Nigeria,
there
for
and ask
example,
you,
you'll be needing.
is IELTS compulsory?
Okay, no, not compulsory. That's why I said for some courses it may be required, but of course with our WAEC, your NECO as well, proficiency of English, because some people they didn't actually study in Nigeria. Maybe they study somewhere, they are in Nigeria, but they study somewhere else, and they need to interpret their certificate. So they may require them to get a proficiency letter of English, or they have to take an IELTS depending on the course as well. So, but our WAEC and NECO can serve, and some other countries as well, like Kenya, Ghana,
South
Cameroon,
Africa,
and other places, they
Cameroon.
have their own. South Africa, yes, African country, basically international student. Yeah, you'll be required whatever the O level, whatever serve as your O level in your country is acceptable. I know for Gambia, for Kenya, for Cameroon, they have like GCS, GCE, advanced level. So it's acceptable as well as a medium of English. Then for those looking at for postgraduate, yeah, of course, from 2-1, 2-2, you can do your direct masters here. And for if you have a third class or you have a HND, you are not left out. Of course, there are some universities that are here to accept you. You want to further your studies, you want to do your masters, definitely. Just that you might have to spend extra, maybe like 2-3 months. So instead of a 12-month program, we're going to do maybe a 14 or 16 months program, and you have your masters. And if you want to go the route of maybe you want to change your course, you want to do maybe something different, we can recommend maybe you want to have a different bachelor's from what you have. There's a top-up program that you can venture into. It's just a 6-month program with just 13,000. You'll be holding a certificate granted from the UK, which means in just 6 months you already have another bachelor's, and you can progress with that to your for your master's degree here in the UK as well. So for HND
whether they have
holders or
higher
third class,
national
you
diploma,
are not left out at all.
third class, they are not left out at all. Amazing.
They are not left out.
Amazing.
At
I
all.
like that. I like that. I like that. Now, one thing that will be in the hearts of people and they want to know is, it's 2024. We want to move to the UK now. How soon can we get this process done, and how soon can we be in the UK?
Yes, yeah, thank you very much. As soon as possible. In the next, I can say, schools are resuming in January, but there are still some universities that are partners that you can still resume in February, between February 19 and March first week. We still have some universities that have given us the go-ahead to still take applications. As yesterday, I still put in some about 10 to 20 applications, and the offer came in just a dial. This is something we can do if you have all your document ready. And what will be required, as I said, your WAEC, if it is for now, undergraduates only for the top up can go for February. So, but for postgraduate, if it's master's program, yeah, you can still meet up for the February. For the undergrad, it has to be for September because is already closed for now. Only the top up, those one that has the one I said is 6 months, that is still available for now for that one. But for the postgraduate, of course, with your WAEC, with your transcript, with your certificates, your CV, your personal statement, and your reference letter, all these ones, if you ever have them now, in 24 hours, I mean 24. So working hours. So let's say on a Monday, you send it to me. Tuesday, you send it to me like 10 a.m. Tuesday, 10 a.m., ask me for your offer and you will get it. And what am I saying? What do you need? As soon as you get your offer, within the space of 10,300 to 13,000, you are here. And you are not paying everything at the same time as you know. Of course, you are supposed to pay a 50% fee from your deposit to make up your deposit. But something happened during the when we started the January intake. There was a kind of a privilege that was given to Nigerians alone this time. Apologies to other nations. because of the technical issues and the way to get forex in Nigeria is a bit difficult. So this one of our partner came down and said, instead of paying 50% before you can apply for your visa, we allow you to pay just £3,000 from the 50%. And we'll give you your cash and you can proceed to make your application. As soon as you get your application on enrollment, you make up the remaining one, the balance, to make it up to 50%. And the 50% that remains will be spread over like 8 months in 3 installments. Isn't this fantastic?
8 months in 3 installments.
For them?
That's fantastic. That's fantastic. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for that explanation. Now, there are current trends ongoing in the UK. You and I have heard about it. How is study now adapting to this situation going on around? Can you talk to us about that?
Of course. Recent news have it, of course, it's not a new thing. The fact that postgraduate students or students can no more bring in their dependents into the to the UK. But the recent one happened has nothing to do with the student. Actually, it's for the health workers, because they are trying to cut down on migration and all. You know, everybody wants to come to here both for work and for study, but it has nothing to do with the students actually. The only thing is that for now, if you are studying not on maybe if you're studying master's program, not research or PhD, you won't be able to come with your dependent at the moment. Yeah, things are, people are still agitating and things are still being put in place. But for now, at the moment, it's not as allowed. But if you are studying a research course, that's a Master of Research or a PhD program, you will be allowed to come with your dependent. And of course, as an agency that we are reputable and innovative, we have been able to put in place to partner with other nations, other countries like Canada, Poland, Malta, you know, to be able to, for those ones that are looking at just, they want to go with their dependent, we can always be able to navigate them through that route as well, you know, as part of our effort to getting everyone that want to move abroad, especially to study, to get what they want and be able to, you know, dive into this opportunity that exists.
Thank you very much. I need to ask on a final note, Republic of Ireland is another option. I know I heard you say Canada, I heard you say Malta. Republic of Ireland,
Malta.
Is it one of the countries you can help people with as well? Hungary, is it one of the countries you help with as well?
Yeah, sure. Hungary, Republic of Ireland, Cyprus. These are some of the countries as well that we have been able to secure partnership with them, and we'll be able to help people get into those countries as soon as they provide us all the necessary documents. And as I said all the time, all our services are absolutely free.
Thank you very much for coming on my YouTube channel. This is my first video of 2024, and the idea is to help you move abroad by fire and by force. You've heard it all from the man, that you can move to the UK even in January or February or March if you start now. Tuition is about £10,000, and you can pay in 3 installments with an initial deposit of £3,000 if you're Nigerian, and 50% of your tuition if you're from other nationalities. And if you're not considering United Kingdom at all, you can contact them for the Republic of Ireland, Hungary, Malta, and even Canada. In the description box of this video, I'm going to put the link of how to contact them, so you can reach out to them using that link and get your groove going. I hope that this video would have been able to help 1, 2, 3 people. So make sure you share this video to as many people as possible. Till I see you again in another video, another episode, it's your one and only Waka Waka Doctor, and I'm signing out.